What you got? You ain't got nothing to do with me, I'll tell you that.
Alive, 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 and very, alive, 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 and very. Used to be somebody, I forgot who I was. I was a pilot in disguise, but then I dropped to the mud. Had somebody by my side, but she got tired of me. Cheated on her, I found out that you can't copy the love. Depression took a little toll, I started drowning in drugs. It didn't do too much healing, I wasn't wildin' enough. Took my focus off the work and purchased 3 whole pies. Tried to sell it, but instead I kept it all to myself. All my friends told me I'm bugging, guess they left me to be. Cause I responded, I'm the reason you got breakfast to eat. Apologizing not an option, cause my message is seen. Like since when did all my homies stop checking on me? As I sniff all of this powder with my energy up, I notice how my fridge is empty, this ain't filling me up. The TV's watching me dig up my own grave in the floor. My OD right now off a baby and for, yeah. Alive, 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 and buried. I'm buried. Alive, 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 and buried. I'm buried. Yep.
Look, I ain't even right for this. Like, I might even mess up doing it, but you know, players mess up too. But like, I got a question, you know what I'm saying? So just let me know what you think. What's your preference? Let me learn you. Come teach me a lesson. What's your preference? If you ask me, the fact we here is destined. Hey, what's your preference? Yeah, sweet lady, no pressure. Hey, what's your preference? Hey, what's your preference? Hey, where'd you go to high school? Should've went to flight school. Wish you went to my school. Girl, you fine times two. I bet your mama fine too. Yeah, she anything like you. Or maybe if you like her, I don't know, just trying to find the right words. And maybe I can pick you up, talking about your spirit when I lift you up. Yeah, don't mind if I get it up. I'm talking about the convo. That's a jab, that's a combo. Got dreams of a condo, 2 kids and a big dog. Let's take it off, lift off. Or maybe we should slow it down. There's plenty time to go around. Let's talk about the future. I don't know, what do you prefer? Let me learn you. Come teach me a lesson. What's your preference? If you ask me, the fact we here is destined. What's your preference? Yeah, sweet lady, no pressure. What's your preference? Yeah, what's your preference?